Hey guys, today I'm going to be making classic dinner rolls. My family and I really enjoyed them. They're nice kind of pull apart rolls and they're super yummy and fluffy, and I just think they're a really great addition to a meal. So you're going to want to add 3/4 cup flour. You're also going to want 1 envelope of rapid rise yeast, so 2 teaspoons and then a 4th teaspoon. Next you're going to want to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and lastly 1/2 teaspoon of salt. While that's mixing, let's go ahead and get our liquids together. You're going to want to add 1/2 cup of milk. And we're going to want to add this all together and microwave or warm it up on the pot if you want. We're going to want 1/4 cup of water and then 2 tablespoons of butter. I chopped mine up so it came out a little bit more easily in the microwave. That's just where I put mine at. Took a second to get in there. Let's go ahead and microwave. I think I microwaved it for about 1:30 minutes, and then it was mostly melted. The butter, that is, and warmed up. So we're going to add it in there. Go ahead and beat it together. It's going to be pretty liquidy still, and we're going to add more flour to that. So overall, this recipe calls for 2 cups of flour, so just add a 1/4 cup at a time and let it mix through. I think it adds for less of a mess, and it allows for better mixing. Let's go ahead, let it mix completely through to where there's obviously no flour visibly left. You might have to scrape it up. Okay, so add another 1/4 cup. Go ahead and let it mix. Okay, I'm going to thicken, just like that. But we're going to add 3 more of those because we want, 4 more of those because we want 2 cups. So another 1/4 cup has been added. Let that bad bitch mix. Let it mix. Let it mix. There it goes. Another cup. Probably could have shortened this part. Another cup. We're on our second 4th cup. We're on our third 4th cup. Mixing the flour in the dough. We're on our 4th. We're on our first, whatever. The other one, the 4th. Okay, we're done with the flour. And then go ahead and take your kneading tool out, or you can use by hand, but I didn't want to, so go ahead and let it knead for a good 8 to 10 minutes. I did take it out and knead with my hand a little bit to make sure all the air bubbles were out. There's the dough. It looks pretty good. It should be nice and stretchy. I should have shown you guys the stretch that you're looking for, but I didn't. Put it in a bowl. You don't need olive oil this time, or you can add some if you want to. Put some saran wrap, cling wrap, whatever, or a towel over the bowl. Let it rise for about 30 minutes. It says 10 on the recipe, but I think 30 minutes is better. Then you're going to want to pull it apart and make into miniature balls. And then not while you do that, but the balls will be ready. Go ahead and put a paper towel, a cling wrap, whatever you want, over the balls once more and let rise for 30 minutes. We want those balls to be succulent balls. So there they are. Gonna put them in the oven for 20 minutes at 375. There you have it. Hope you enjoy.